Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna speak about the Sagittarius Ascendant people. I'm gonna tell y'all how your year 2021 would be. At the starting of the year, in your ascendant, there will be Sun and Mercury. In the second house, from your ascendant, there will be Saturn and Jupiter. In the 12th house, there will be Ketu and Venus. In the 5th house, there will be Mars in its own sign, in the Aries sign. And in the 6th house, there will be Rahu. Well, Sagittarius Ascendant people, I want to tell you all something today. That since 2019, I mean in the year 2019 and 2020, you have been procrastinating. And this is the reason why things haven't been good for you. You have been postponing things since 2019. Hence, you are not seeing anything happening positive in your life. This sort of dilly-dally, indecisiveness is pushing you towards failures. And a time will come that this lazy attitude of yours will become your habit. So get out of this habit and start taking decisions. Start doing things now. You know, you have the talents, capabilities, abilities, skills to succeed in life. But just because you have been postponing things, you have been procrastinating, that is the reason why your world has come to a standstill. So, do not procrastinate anymore. Do not postpone anything positive anymore. If you want to succeed in life, if you want to succeed in the year 2021, and I am telling you all, if you take decisions in the year 2021, if you do not procrastinate in the year 2021, then you will see a massive success in your life in the year 2021. You will see success as you have never seen before. So start acting upon your ideas, thoughts now to fulfill your dreams, goals and desires. Well, the only problem I see for y'all in the year 2021 would be regarding your health, because Rahu will be in the 6th house, and this particular Rahu will give you some skin problems, some sexual related diseases, some stomach problems, some eye related problems, some kidney related problems. So in order to mitigate these health issues, I want to discuss with you all today, just now, about a solution, a remedy. If you do this remedy which I'm gonna talk about, then you will manage to alleviate your problems in the year 2021. And the solution, the remedy which I'm gonna talk about just now is very simple. All you have to do is find 9 poor people and you have to give them 18 rupees each. For people who are staying abroad, they can give $1.80, 80 cents to 9 of those different poor people. And additionally, you will have to give 1 black cola beverage each to 9 of those different poor people. So you have to give money as well as the black cola beverage to 9 of those different poor people. You have to do this remedy on a Thursday. And you will have to do this remedy for 3 consecutive Thursdays. Well, another thing, ladies and gentlemen, that I want to inform y'all, that if you wish to alleviate your health problems in the year 2021 and beyond, I mean throughout your life, then I want to tell y'all that I have made a very special amulet. This is a silver amulet which is religious and godly. And this particular amulet can be worn by any person of any religion, because I believe there is only one God, but the names of that God may be different. This is my personal belief. So if you wear this amulet, I am certain that you will alleviate, you will mitigate your health problems in the year 2021 and beyond. And not only this, by wearing this amulet, you will see a lot of richness in your life. You will earn a lot of money in your life. You will see success and prosperity in your life. You will see light at the end of the tunnel. This particular amulet will give you the strength to overcome any obstacles and hurdles in your life. This particular amulet will not only give you the power, energy and strength to overcome hurdles and obstacles, but if for some reason life has knocked you down and you are not able to get up in life, then this particular amulet will give you the strength to get up once again. It will ensure that you get up once again and you start fighting hard in life once again in order for you to reach your purpose of life. Well, let me talk about some specific people belonging to the Sagittarius Ascendant. Let me start by talking about people who are in a job. For people who are in a job, this year you will see a lot of problems relating to your job. You will be surrounded by secret enemies at your workplace. I mean, at the place where you are working. Those secret enemies will try to tarnish your image in front of your boss and superior. And it may so happen that your boss, your superior may find your enemy's version about you true, and they will start treating you unfairly. This situation might lead you to leaving that job. But do not worry, if that situation arises, you will find another job for yourself very soon. But my suggestion to y'all would be, continue working where you are and do not change that job this year, even if your boss or your superior are treating you unfairly. Well, for people who are looking for a job this year, I want to tell them that they will get a job for themselves this year. They will be employed this year. Though you might not get a salary package as per your expectations. But whatever the salary package is, I'd request you all to join that company and start working. And it is most likely that later on in that job, you will get a promotion. You will get a salary hike. Well, for people who are in business, I want to tell them that this year, it is not going to be a great year for y'all. This situation will lead to a lot of frustration in life because you will not be able to support your business as well as your family from that business. You will start looking for other businesses, but I suggest you all not to do that. Continue with this particular business which you are doing, and in the coming time you may see that business growing once again, and you start to earn money from that business once again. Well, for people in love, this is not gonna be a great time for y'all, as there are chances of your love partner leaving you this year. Your circumstances and your situation may be such that your love partner will be compelled to leave you. I wouldn't blame y'all for this, but the circumstances, the situation which you will be in will force your love partner to leave you. And if the situation arises that your love partner leaves you, then do not worry. In the coming time, you will find another love partner for yourself, which would be better for your life. Well, for students, this year is not gonna be a great year for y'all, as there are chances of you not comprehending your subjects, as you will not be able to comprehend what you study. It will become very difficult for you to grasp things easily. The reason for this would be that you will start thinking about something else in life. You will start thinking about your future, and these thoughts These worries about the future will destroy your present. So I'd suggest you all to focus on your studies this year and not think about anything else. Well, for married people, this is gonna be a fantabulous year, as things between you and your spouse, the differences between you and your spouse will end, and you will see harmony and peace between you and your spouse. Your spouse is gonna support you in every which way possible. Your spouse is gonna support you mentally, emotionally, physically, and I'd say that they will support you financially as well. This situation will create a strong bond between you and your spouse this year. So all you married people, go ahead and enjoy your married life this year. Well, for people who are wanting to get married, I want to tell them that this is an excellent year for you to get married. The life partner which you find this year is gonna be an ideal life partner for you. So if that opportunity comes, do not hesitate to get married this year. Well, for people who are in the stock market, I want to tell them that this year, please do not invest any money in the stock market, because the decisions you all take to invest this year will not yield any profits for y'all in this year as well as in the coming years. I'd suggest y'all not to invest in any asset class, be it gold, silver or any other thing. I'd strictly advise y'all not to buy any sort of property this year, as this may create a lot of problems for y'all. Well, for people who are in debt, I want to tell them that this year is gonna be a tough year for y'all, as you will find it very difficult for yourselves to pay the EMIs, the loans, the debts. You will not have any resources for you to pay those loans, debts or EMIs. It may be very much possible that you receive a legal notice from your creditors or from the government. I'd also suggest you all not to take any fresh debt this year. Well, these are my general predictions about Sagittarius Ascendant for the year 2021. If you all want some specific predictions about yourself, then you will have to provide me with your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Then I will be in a position to tell you all accurately about your life, your future and the year 2021. Well, if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, if you want a life full of love, peace, richness, money, tranquility, calmness, success, prosperity, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless y'all. Happy 2021. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.